welcome back to English. In this video, we're going to talk about A1 English, which is the very first level of English that you need to learn before moving to any higher levels. So by watching this video, you're going to be able to tell what A1 English is, what you can do at A1 level, how long it will take to reach A1, and finally some typical A1 English topics that you should start with. But before getting started, please click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our free English lessons. Also, keep watching to check out a special gift we have for you at the end of the video. Now let's get started. First of all, what is A1 English? A1 is the beginner level on the CEFR scale. CEFR stands for Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. This is an international standard used to describe the abilities of language learners. The CEFR scale divides each language into 6 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. A1 and A2 are the beginner levels. B1 and B2 are the intermediate levels, and C1 and C2 are the advanced levels. And A1 is the very first stage of learning English. At A1 level, learners can understand and use very basic everyday words and expressions. They can introduce themselves and others, ask and answer simple questions about personal details such as where they live, who they know, and things they have. They can also communicate in a simple way if the other person speaks slowly and clearly and is ready to help. What can you do at A1 level? We'll split your ability into 4 sections: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Let's go through them one by one. A1 listening. At A1 level, you can understand simple greetings such as hello, good morning, etc. You can recognize basic information such as names, numbers, prices, days of the week, etc. You can follow slow, clear instructions such as open your book or go to the door. Now let's listen to a short audio clip and see if you can understand it. Now let's move on to speaking. At A1 level, you can use simple phrases such as I am fine or I live in Cairo. You can introduce yourself and ask someone their name. You can say where you are from, what you do, what you like. For example, I like pizza or I play tennis. You can also ask some basic questions such as what's your name? How are you? Where are you from? Now let's listen to some simple questions and answers. Now let's move on to reading. At A1 level, you can understand common signs such as exit, toilet, bus stop, etc. You can read very simple forms and notices. You can recognize familiar names, words, and very simple sentences. For example, I have a dog. She likes swimming. Here are some examples of A1 reading texts. Finally, let's talk about writing. At A1 level, you can fill in forms with personal details such as your name, nationality, address, etc. You can write short phrases and simple sentences such as I have 2 brothers. My sister is 16 years old. Let's summarize what you can do at A1 level. You can understand and use basic expressions about common topics related to everyday life. You can communicate with native speakers if they speak slowly and are ready to help you. You can also ask questions to help you understand people around you. How long to reach A1 level? Generally, it depends on your study time and intensity, but usually 60 to 100 hours of study with practice will bring a new learner to A1. Let's now discuss some example phrases you can use and learn at A1 level. First, let's talk about introducing yourself. You can say hi, I'm Molly, nice to meet you. What's your name? Then when meeting someone for the first time, you can say, this is my friend Amit. When asking someone how they are, you can say, how are you? Or how are you doing? If you want to know someone's age, you can ask, how old are you? If you don't understand something, you can say, I don't understand, please speak slowly. To express your likes and dislikes, you can say, I like swimming, I love pizza, I hate eggs, I don't like coffee. And now some A1 vocabulary. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Numbers from 1 to 30, days of the week, months of the year. Man, woman, boy, girl, husband, wife, son, daughter, mother, father, sister, brother, friend, teacher, student, doctor, nurse, waiter, waitress, bank, school, hospital, restaurant, street, city, country, house, car, book, computer, telephone, television, radio, internet, coffee, water, tea, milk, bread, rice, chicken, meat, fruit, vegetable, summer, winter, spring, autumn, morning, day, night, week, month, year. And here are some A1 sample sentences. I am Ollie. I am 25 years old. Where are you from? I am from Egypt. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. Can you speak Arabic? Yes, I can. No, I can't. I would like some water, please. If you want to go deeper into A1 English, you can check out our A1 English course, which includes everything you need to reach this level. There are more than 100 lessons that cover A1 grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description below. And now let's talk about some typical A1 English topics that you should start with. These are some general topics that most A1 learners study. Family. When learning about family, you will study words like mother, father, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, son, daughter, husband, wife, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, and in-laws. Numbers. You will learn how to count from 1 to 100 and maybe even more. You will learn how to spell numbers in words such as 25, 150, etc. You will also study how to write numbers in figures such as 25, 150, etc. Countries and nationalities. When learning this topic, you will learn about different countries around the world and their nationalities. You will study words such as America, American, UK, British, France, French, Germany, German, China, Chinese, Japan, Japanese, and many more. Food and drink. With this topic, you will learn to talk about different kinds of food and drinks. You will study words like breakfast, lunch, dinner, water, coffee, tea, milk, sugar, salt, pepper, bread, rice, pasta, chicken, meat, fish, fruit, vegetables, and many more. Days, months, time. You will learn the names of days and months and how to use them in different sentences. You will also learn to tell the time. You will study words such as today, tomorrow, yesterday, Monday, Tuesday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December at 8 o'clock, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and many more. Shopping. With this topic, you will learn to talk about shopping and buying things. You will study words like shop, store, market, mall, salesperson, customer, price, expensive, cheap, buy, pay, thank you, card, cash, coat, shirt, dress, shoes, bag, hat, jeans, belt, t-shirt, sweater, book, toy, and many more. Directions. In this topic, you will learn to talk about directions and how to get to places. You will study words such as left, right, straight ahead, next to, opposite, near, far, close, open, street, road, house, building, school, park, station, airport, museum, restaurant, cafe, bar, hotel, library, and many more. Daily routines. This topic is about daily activities that people do every day. You will learn words like wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, have breakfast, get dressed, go to school, come home, watch TV, play games, make homework, do housework, wash clothes, iron clothes, cook, eat dinner, sleep, dream, read, swim, walk, run, dance, listen to music, send messages, surf the internet, learn English, and many more. Now let's listen to some examples of A1 listening. I've prepared 3 listening clips for you. Listen to them and try to understand what they mean. The first one, what's your name? My name is your name. How are you? I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. The second one, where are you from? I'm from your country. How old are you? I'm your age years old. Can you speak Arabic? Yes, I can. The third one, hello everyone. Welcome to our school. My name is teacher's name. I am your English teacher. I am very happy to meet you. Let's now discuss some A1 English speaking tips. Tip no. 1. Listen to slow, clear audio or video. Try not to understand fast or unclear speech. If you can't understand anything, just pause and replay until you hear what you need. Tip no. 2. Repeat simple phrases after you hear them. By repeating, you train your pronunciation and intonation. You will also understand better what you repeat. Tip number 3. Use subtitles at first. Many videos come with subtitles. Watch and read them carefully. See how native speakers pronounce words and phrases. Tip no. 4. Listen to simple songs. Songs are fun and easy to remember. You can also dance while listening to them. Tip no. 5. Listen to greetings. Greetings are very important. They help us to show respect and politeness, learn different types of greetings, and how to use them in different situations. Tip no. 6. Listen to simple conversations. Start with short, simple conversations and then move on to longer ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Share it with your friends and tell us in the comments what you think about it. To continue your learning journey, check out the next video we have for you.